Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can transfer data for device setup on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. To do so, first we need to open the settings, then scroll down to go to accounts and backup, and then go there. And now over here you have transfer data for device setup. You can send the data from this phone to a new device or bring data from an old device to this phone. You can transfer pictures, contacts, apps, and more. So let's go over here. We will need to grant permissions, of course. And now over here we need to select what we want to do, if you want to send data or if you want to receive data. Over here we also have the cloud. We can back up and restore with Samsung Cloud. We also have for some reason we have the external storage option, even though there is no way to insert the memory card. And we can also tap on these three dots in order to even find settings over here. So if someone wants to go through settings, then over here we can check that. So let's say we want to receive data. Now over here we can choose if you want to transfer from Galaxy or an Android device or from iPhone or iPad. So let's say we're gonna choose the Android. Now over here, if you want to use cable or if you want to do that wirelessly, so I'm gonna choose wireless. And now we need to open Smart Switch on the old device in order to transfer the files. So we can also press Get Smart Switch on your old device, and then we have the option to use other Android phone or tablet or Samsung Galaxy phone or tablet. So I'm gonna choose other, and then we need to simply scan this QR code on your old device. And from that point onwards, you need to simply follow the instructions in order to complete the transfer. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.